In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video in Kapwing. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, Kapwing offers a user-friendly way to make necessary adjustments to your video content. So let's dive right in and explore how you can rotate your videos with ease. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Kapwing website. It's a powerful online tool that allows you to create compelling content quickly and efficiently. Once you're on the main page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Signing in ensures that your projects are saved as you work, which can be a lifesaver if you need to step away and return later. Next, you'll be directed to the Sign In options. Here, select Sign In with Google for a quick and straightforward login process. It's always convenient to link your Google account if you use it frequently, as it integrates seamlessly with Kapwing. After selecting the Google sign-in, choose your account from the pop-up list. If you're using a shared or public computer, ensure you log into your personal account to keep your work secure and private. Once logged in, you'll be redirected back to the Kapwing workspace where you can view your projects. Now find the project you want to work on. You can do this by navigating to your project dashboard, which lists all your current and past projects. Click on the project that contains the video you wish to rotate. This action will open the editor interface. Inside the editor, you'll see a variety of tools at your disposal. Click on the video clip that you want to edit. Once selected, all the transform options, including the rotate feature, will appear in the right-hand side panel. Look for the rotate option. This is where you'll make your adjustments. To rotate the video, click on the rotate icon. Clicking once will rotate your video by 90 degrees. If you need further rotation, simply click again until your video is oriented in the desired direction. This feature is especially useful for content creators needing to correct the orientation of videos recorded on mobile devices or for creating an artistic effect. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have successfully rotated your video. Kapwing's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to make quick edits and create polished video content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to save your project and check out other Kapwing features for further editing. Happy creating!